First time sa Macau, save mo na to dahil ito na ang ultimate budget-friendly Macau day trip from Hong Kong. At bago ka ma-overwhelm sa dami ng stops, don't worry because this itinerary is designed for first-timers. Para makarating, mag-avail kayo ng tour budget tickets nyo through Agoda, and don't forget to use my promo code YELTRAVEL para mas makamura kayo. Pagdating namin sa Macau, sumakay kami ng Wing Shuttle Bus kasi mas konti ang tao at perfect starting point ito para sa itinerary na ito. Stop number 1, Wynn Macau. Panoorin ang sikat na performance Lake Fountain Show. Stop number 2, Casino Lisboa, isa sa pinaka-iconic landmarks sa Macau. Stop 3, Senado Square. Enjoy the Portuguese-style architecture at bisitahin ang church. Stop 4, Ruins of St. Paul's. Pinakasikat na attraction sa Macau. Habang paakyat, huwag kalimutang tikman ang libreng beef jerky at iba pang local delicacy. Stop 5, Municipal Affairs Building. May hidden courtyard dito na perfect for aesthetic photos. Pagkatapos, bumalik kami sa Wynn Macau at sumakay ng libreng shuttle papuntang Cotai Strip. Stop 6, Wynn Palace. Sikat sa cable car at dancing fountain show. Stop 7, MGM Cotai. Luxury interiors na parang art gallery. Stop 8, City of Dreams. Perfect place para kumain at magpahinga. Stop 9, The Londoner. Don't miss the Grand Lobby, red phone booths at iconic clock tower. Stop 10, The Parisian. Isa sa pinakamagandang photo spots sa Cotai Strip. Stop 11, The Venetian. Explore the famous indoor canals, mag-shopping at kumuha ng last-minute photos. From Venetian, may libreng shuttle bus na diretso sa Macau Ferry Terminal, pabalik sa Hong Kong. At ganyan namin na-explore ang Macau in just one day na walang ginastos sa transportation. For more Hong Kong and Macau travel guides, check out my YouTube channel. See you there!